Dear students, today I will start the matrix multiplication. This is the last part of the matrix. Okay, I have finished using in my previous class two exercise. Now I will do the last exercise. But before starting this, I have to say matrix multiplication. Multiplication of a matrices. Multiplication of a matrices means we can multiply by a matrix with another matrix, or matrix multiplication by a scalar you have learned in previous exercise. Now here we will learn how to multiply the matrix between two matrices. Okay. Before multiplication, you have to know there is a rule for matrix multiplication. What is that? Suppose I write here, see. Suppose I write here A equals to 2, 1, 3 minus 2. Another matrix I written here B equals to 1, 2. Now tell me, what is the order of this matrix? 2 plus 2. And what is the order of this matrix? That is 2 plus 1. In my previous class I told you, order means number of row cross number of column. Now, if I tell you, now add these two matrices, you will say, sir, it's not possible. Why? Sir, these two matrices are different order. These two matrices are different order. Then matrix addition and subtraction is not possible. Matrix addition and subtraction is not possible. Then we can do matrix multiplication. There is some rule. It is not necessary. See, addition and subtraction is not possible means multiplication is not possible. It's not necessary. It does not depend. Multiplication does not depend on addition and subtraction. Okay. The rule is, if you have to tell multiply A and B, then at first you will find their order. Now you will see. The rule is number of column in A equals to number of row in B. If we multiply row into column, then the order is number of column in A equals to number of row in B. Number of column in A equals to number of row in B. But here the number of column, how many number of column in A? 2. And number of row in, number of column in A 2 and number of row in B 2. Both are equal, therefore we can say that here AB is possible. And you just listen one thing. A into B. I written a number of column in A. Why A? Why not B? Since I multiplied here A into B, because matrix multiplication does not follow the commutative law. Commutative law means A equals B, A into B equals to B into A. In matrix, it's not possible. Okay? Maybe equal in some cases, but not always. Okay? So number of column in A equals to number of column in a row in B. Since both are equal, therefore we can say that, write this rule, we can say that matrix multiplication is possible. Now you have to do the multiply. Now we can multiply. How? At first you have to represent A, B. AB means A into B. 2, 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 2. What will be the order of the product? Now listen. Here I told you the order is 2 plus 2, another order is 2 plus 1. This match to this, the remaining will be the order of product. That is, the product order will be 2 plus 1. 2 rows, 1 column. Therefore, here the matrix will be 2 rows, 1 column, like this. This is 2 rows, 1 column. The answer will be like this. Now, multiplication rule is, the first you have to take a row into column. That is 2 into 1, 1 into 2. 2 into 1 plus, in middle it will be always plus, 1 into 2. Then this row will multiply with another column. Since here is only one column, you just multiply here. Now it's complete. In down, this row will multiply with this column. Same as also 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. Complete. No more. 2 1 is 2 plus 2, 3 minus 4. That is 4, minus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer of matrix multiplication. Now I will multiply here 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1. If I multiply with a square matrix, square matrix means whose number of column are equal. Suppose I take here A equals to 1, 5, 2, 0. Another B equals to 3, minus 1, 4, 6. Now A cross B means A into B. 1, 5, 2, 0 into B means 3, minus 1, 4, 6. Just do the multiply. First row, first column. First row into first column. First row into second column. It will be first element. মানে ফার্স্ট রো ইন্টু ফার্স্ট কলাম করলে আমরা এইখানকার এলিমেন্টটা পাবো ফার্স্টের। এবার ফার্স্ট রো ইন্টু সেকেন্ড কলাম করলে সেকেন্ড এলিমেন্টটা পাবো। Means it is suppose A11, it will be A12. A13 we will get second row into first column. Second row into first column. কিন্তু অনেকে দেখি এই মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনটা একটু এ আর করে ভুলভাল করে দেয়। A21 not A22 second row into second column. Now multiply 1 into 3 plus 5 into 4. Now 1 into minus 1 plus 5 into 6. 2 into 3 plus 0 into 4. 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 6. Then 3 plus 20. 23 minus 1 plus 30. 29. 6 minus 2. 23, 29, 6 minus 2. Okay. Now, no more here. Direct goes to exercise. There are so many problems. I will start 3. here A, B and C given. A equals to 3, 7, 2, 4 and B equals to 0, 2, 5, 3 and C equals to 1, minus 5, minus 4, 6. Now we have to find AB minus 5C. That is AB means 3, 7, 2, 4 and B means 0, 2, 5, 3 minus 5C. 1 minus 5 minus 4, 6. Just multiply these two. I am doing that directly. 3 into 0, 0 plus 7, 3 into 0, 0 plus 7 into 5, 35. 3 into 2, 6, 7 into 3, 21. 2 into 0, 2, 4 into 5, 20. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. Minus 5 will multiply here, 5 minus 25 minus 20, 30. Then this is 35, 27, 22, 16 minus 5 minus 25 minus 20, 30. 35 minus 5, 30, 27 plus minus minus plus, that is 27 plus, it will be 20, 52 and 22 plus 20, 42, 16 minus 30 minus 14. This is the answer. Okay, understood? Now number 8. A equals to 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 and B equals to B equals to 3, 2 minus 2, 1. Then find 2b minus a square. 2b minus a square equals to 2 into 3, 2 minus 2, 1 minus a square means it is 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Then 6, 4, minus 4, 2, minus b square means you have to multiply this. In matrix b square means not, suppose b square, some student will think b square means square of square, this is totally wrong. Okay, b square means b into b. Now multiply this. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, that is minus 3. I am doing directly. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 and 1 minus 4 means minus. 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into minus 2, plus 2, 2 into minus 1, plus 2, that is 0. Same as also 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 2 into 2, 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3. That is, now subtract this between two matrix 6, minus minus 3 plus 9, 4 minus 4, 2 plus 3, 5. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. X equals to 4, 1, minus 1, 2. So that 6x minus x square equals to 9i. 6x minus x square, this equals to 9i, where I is the identity matrix or unit matrix of order 2 cos 2. Order 2 means 2 cos 2. That's since it is 2. Now this is LHS. From this you have to find RHS. No problems. That is 6x minus x square. Now put the value of this. 6 into, just put the value of matrix x. Minus 1, 2 minus x square means 4, 1 minus 1, 2 into 4, 1 minus 1, 2. Now 6 4 is 24, 6 1 is 6, minus 6, 12, minus 4 4 is 16, minus 1, 15, 4 1 is 4 plus 2, 6, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 1 plus 4, 3. Now subtract this. 24 minus 15, 9, 6 minus 6, 0, 0, this is 9. If you take 9 as common, then it will be 1, 0, 0, 1, and it is the identity matrix. So we can write 9i. This is the right hand side. This is the right hand side. Okay, right hand side. Just prove it. Next, 19(1). Minus 3, 2, 0, minus 5 into x2 cos 2 minus 5y. This is the equality of matrix, but before comparing you have to multiply these two matrices. Now multiply these two matrices and the result will be like this. Means the result will be 2 cos 1 order matrix. Minus 3x plus 4. Complete 0 minus 10 equals to minus 5y. Now by equality of matrix we can say that this must be equal to this. Therefore minus 3x plus 4 equals to minus 5, or minus 3x equals to minus 9, or x equals to 3. And from this equality we can say that y equals to minus 10. We got the value of x and y. Okay. Next 23. A equals to 2, 12, 0, 1 and B equals to 4x 0, 1. Now given that a square equals to b, find the value of x in this matrix. Don't make square. Someone will do this square, this square, this square. Totally wrong. A into a 2, 12, 0, 1. This into again a 2, 12, 0, 1. Then a square equals to b 4x 0, 1. Now multiply this. 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4, 12 is 0, 2 12 are 40, 24 plus 12 1 are 12, means 36. 2 12 12, and this is 0 0 0 1 equals to 4x 0, 1. And from this equality of matrix we can say that x equals to 36. This is the answer. Number 26. Find in x and y if minus 2, 0, 3, 1 into minus 1, 2x plus 3 into minus 2, 1 equals to 2 into y comma 3. From this matrix you have to find the value of x. প্রতি বছর এরকম টাইপের একটা আসছে minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2, 0 into 2, 0 into 2x, 2x, no problem. Now 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 1 into 2x, 2x. Now multiply this 3 with this matrix minus 6, 3 and multiply this 2, 2y, 6. Now adding these two matrix, 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2x plus 3, that is it will be 2x, that is 2y 6. And from this we can say that 2x equals to 6, x equals to 3. Again same as also 2y equals to minus 4, x equals to minus 2. This is the value of x and y. Number 13. Number 30 একটু আলাদা ধরনের, এখান থেকে দেখবি m into 1 1 0 2 equals to 1 2. তাহলে m is a matrix. এখানে m একটা ম্যাট্রিক্স, m কিন্তু একটা স্কেলার না। অনেকটা ভাবছি ঠিক আছে এই ম্যাট্রিক্সটা বের করবো না এই ম্যাট্রিক্সটাকে এটা দিয়ে ডিভাইড করবো। ম্যাট্রিক্সের সঙ্গে ম্যাট্রিক্স ডিভাইড হয় না কখনো, ঠিক আছে? একটা ম্যাট্রিক্সকে আমরা একটা স্কেলার নাম্বার দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে পারি, বাট একটা ম্যাট্রিক্সকে ম্যাট্রিক্স দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে পারি না। সো হিয়ার at first you have to choose a matrix m, but what will be the order of m? Before doing this, you have to write the order of this is 2 cross 2, this is 1 cross 2, and we know this multiplying is possible if the number of column in this matrix is equal to number of row in this matrix. That is, number of column will be 2, and I told these 2 will be removed, and the remaining will be the order of this product. In this product, order is 1 cross 2. It is 2. Therefore, it must be 1. It must be 1. Therefore, the order of m equals to 1 cross 2. Let m equals to a comma b. Now put the value of m. Now a not comma a b into 1102 equals to 1 2. Therefore, a plus b, no, then a plus 2b equals to 1 2. From the equality matrix, we can say that a equals to 1 and a plus 2b equals to 2. That is, 2b equals to 1, b equals to 1 by 2. Why 2b equals to 1? Put the value of a. Okay, you got the value of a and b. Thirty-three 1. A equals to 2 minus 1 minus 4 5, and b equals to minus 3 2. Find a matrix C such that AC equals to B. You have to choose the matrix C. Before choosing this, you will write the order of A equals to 2 plus 2 and order of B equals to 2 plus 1. The number of column in this matrix equals to number of row, means it will be 2, and these 2 will be equal, the remaining will this, means this is 1. Therefore, C equals to 2 plus 1. Let C equals to 2 plus 1, 2 row 1 column, 2 row 1 column, like this. Now put the value of A, B, C in this matrix. You take C as a AB, then and A's value 2 minus 1 minus 4 5, and here C equals to AB equals to minus 3 2. Now 2A minus B, 2A minus B minus 4A plus 5B equals to minus 3 2. And from the equality of matrices, we can write 2A minus B equals to minus 3 and minus 4A plus 5B equals to 2. This is number 1 equation, this is number 2 equation. Solving A and 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Then just number 1 into 2, then you get 4A minus 2B equals to minus 6, and this will be minus 4A plus 5B equals to 2. 3B equals to 4. B equals to 4 by 3. 20. Minus 4/3. Minus 4/3. Now we can find the value of b. A from 1. Put the value of in 1. 2a minus plus 4/3 equals to minus 3, or 2a equals to minus 3 minus 4/3, or 2a equals to minus 9 minus 13/3, or a equals to minus 13/6. Therefore you have to write C as in the matrix form, minus 13/6. If you not write in this matrix form, then you will not get the last correct accuracy marks. Okay, will remind it. Next, 35. Number 35. Number 35. Here given that 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into m equals to 6i. I is the unit matrix, m is any matrix. Then you have to find the value of m. First you have to choose the order of m. It is 2 cross 2. It is 2 cross 2. I is unit matrix. Now the number of column in this matrix equals to number of row in this matrix. Means it row will be 2 and the column, and this will be the equal to this na. So column also will be 2. Therefore we can take, let m equals to a, b, c, d. Now multiply this 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into a, b, c, d into a, b, c, d equals to 6006. Why 6006? I mean here 6 is multiplied with I na. Further I written here 6006. Now multiply this 4a plus 2c, 4b plus 2d minus a plus c and minus b plus d. This is equals to 6006, and equating these two you can get 4a plus 2c equals to 6 and minus a plus c equals to 0, or a equals to c. Put the value of a, then 4a plus 2a equals to 6, or 6a equals to 6, a equals to 1. Therefore c equals to 1. Why? A equals to c, it is given. And from these two matrices 4b plus 2d equals to 0 and minus b plus d equals to 6. Solving these two, or 2b equals to minus d, b equals to minus d. In place of d we can write minus 2b. That is minus b minus 2b equals to 6, or b equals to minus 2. that is minus 3b equals to 6, the b equals to minus 2 ना. Then d equals to therefore d equals to কি দাঁড়াবে এটা, d equals to দাঁড়াবে minus 2b মানে minus 2 4. Therefore the matrix M equals to A B C D ना. A means 1, B means minus 2, C means 1. This is the answer. Now all of you write the homework. Exercise 8.3. Four, 6, 11, 16. One, 25, 28, 31, 33, 2, 36. All of you see these are the homework. We will complete this and we will submit my personal number. Okay, no more today. Goodbye. Good night.